students, welcome back to Lucky Naresh Physics channel. Students, in this session I am going to discuss about equations of motion under gravity in motion in a straight line. We have equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we will discuss equations of motion under gravity. If we want to throw a body vertically upward, we need to apply some force. So, body has initial velocity u. At maximum height, its final velocity becomes 0. Such type of body is called vertically projected body. Now we will discuss about equations of motion for a vertically projected body. Here acceleration is replaced by minus g and displacement s is replaced by h. Then we will get v is equal to u minus gt, h is equal to ut minus half gt square and v square minus u square is equal to minus 2gh. Now we will find maximum height reached by a vertically projected body. We know that at maximum height final velocity is 0. So in v square minus u square is equal to minus 2gh, if we substitute in the place of v 0, then we will get u square is equal to 2gh. From that h is equal to u square by 2g. From this we can say maximum height is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. Time of ascent, the time taken by a vertically projected body to reach maximum height, is called time of ascent. From v equal to u minus gt, at maximum height v is equal to 0. So, if we substitute in the place of v is equal to 0, then we will get u is equal to gt. From that t is equal to u by g. So, we calculated time of ascent, that is t1 is equal to u by g. Now we will do problem on vertically projected body. A stone is thrown vertically up with an initial velocity of 10 meter second power minus 1. Find maximum height reached and the time of ascent. Take g is equal to 10 meter second power minus 2. Now we will do solution. First we will write given data. Given initial velocity u is equal to 10 meter second power minus 1. At maximum height final velocity v is equal to 0 and g is equal to 10 meter second power minus 2. Now we need to calculate maximum height. Formula for maximum height, h is equal to u square by 2g. Now substitute in the place of u 10 and in the place of g 10. Now cancel numerator 10 square with denominator 10, then you will get 10 by 2. So you will get 5 meter. Now we will calculate time of ascent. time of ascent t1 is equal to u by g. Now substitute in the place of u 10 and in the place of g 10, we will get 1 second. Now we will discuss about freely falling body. If a body falls vertically downward with zero initial velocity under gravity in the absence of air resistance, then such body is called freely falling body. Some people have interest in skydiving. Is skydivers are freely falling bodies? No, because there is an air resistance which opposes their motion under gravity. Now we will discuss about equations of motion for a freely falling body. For a freely falling body, initial velocity u is equal to 0, acceleration a is equal to plus z, and displacement s is equal to h. Now equations of motion for a freely falling body are v is equal to gt, h is equal to half gt square, and v square is equal to 2gh. Now we will find velocity before reaching the ground. From v square minus u square is equal to 2gh. For a freely falling body, initial velocity u is equal to 0. So if we substitute in the place of u 0, then we will get v square is equal to 2gh. From that, v is equal to root over 2gh. Now we will discuss about time of descent. The time taken by freely falling body to touch the ground is called time of descent. For a freely falling body, u is equal to 0. From h is equal to ut plus half gt square, if you substitute u is equal to 0, then we will get h is equal to half gt square. From that, t square is equal to 2h by g. Here t is equal to root over 2h by g. So time of descent t2 is equal to root over 2h by g. But h is equal to u square by 2g. Now substitute this one in the above equation. Then we will get t2 is equal to u by g. Now we will discuss about time of flight. The time for which a body remains in the air is called time of flight. Time of flight is equal to sum of the time of ascent and time of descent. That is, t is equal to t1 plus t2. In the place of t1 and t2, we will substitute u by g. So we will get time of flight is equal to 2u by g. Time of flight is directly proportional to the initial velocity of the body. Now we will do problem on freely falling body. A stone is dropped from the top of a building and is found to reach ground in 1 second. Find the height of the building. Take g is equal to 10 meter second power minus 2. Now we will do solution. First we will write given data. See, for a freely falling body, initial velocity u is equal to 0 and given time of descent t equal to 1 second. We need to calculate height of the building. So from h is equal to ut plus half gt square, if you substitute in the place of u 0, then in the place of g 10, in the place of t 1, then you will get h is equal to half into 10. From that, if you cancel 10 with 2, you will get h is equal to 5 meter. A body thrown upward from the top of a tower. For suppose I throw one ball from the top of a tower vertically upward, then it will take some time to reach the ground and it covers some distance before reaching the ground. To calculate these physical quantities, I need to take equations of motion. For that, we will take sign convention. From 1 to 2, u comma v comma g positive. At 2, v is equal to 0 because at maximum height velocity 0. From 2 to 4, v comma g negative. From 2 to 3, displacement s is positive. At 3, s is 0 because body reaches point of projection. From 3 to 4, s is negative. That means h is equal to minus s, where h is the height of the tower. Now we will discuss about equations of motion for a body thrown vertically upward from the top of a tower. V is equal to minus u plus gt, h is equal to minus ut plus half gt square, v square is equal to u square minus 2gh, and h in nth second is equal to minus u plus g into n minus half. Now we will do problem on a body thrown vertically upward from the top of a tower. A ball is thrown upwards from the top of a tower 40 meter high with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Find the time taken when it strikes the ground. Solution. First we will write given data. Given initial velocity u is equal to 10 meter per second, g is equal to 10 meter per second square, and height of a tower 40 meter. We need to calculate time. In h is equal to minus ut plus half gt square, I will substitute in the place of h 40, in the place of u 10, and in the place of g 10. Then I will get 40 is equal to minus 10t plus 5t square. So I will get 5t square minus 10t minus 40 is equal to 0. Now I will divide with 5 on both sides. Then I will get t square minus 2t minus 8 is equal to 0. If we factorize this, we will get t is equal to 4 seconds or minus 2 seconds. But time will not be negative. Therefore, time is equal to 4 seconds. Students, in next session, I will discuss about graphs related to displacement time, velocity time, and acceleration time. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.